We shall start the chapter surface area and volume. The first solid that you have to learn is cuboid. So typically a cuboid looks like this. Right, so that is a cuboid, and I have marked three different colors as you can see over there: red, green and blue. There is a reason for that. The red one is the length of the cuboid, the green one is the breadth of the cuboid, the blue is the height of the cuboid. As you know, the cuboid has 6 surfaces, and if I have to find a total surface area of this cuboid, I have to take the area of all the 6 surfaces. Alright, so that is typically written as total surface area or TSA. So my TSA will be area of all the surfaces. Alright, now if I look at the front surface, okay, let me draw the front surface differently. Front surface, this is your length and this is the height. So this is a rectangle, all right. So this is the height, this is the length. So area of this one will be LH, isn't it? The front is LH, the back will be LH. So LH plus LH, 2LH. So I have taken care of the front and the back. So look at the top. If you look at the top surface, that means this one I am talking about, this is also a rectangle. This is my length and this is my breadth. So the top is LB, length into breadth. The bottom is also LB. So 2LB from the top and the bottom. Now from the sides, if you look at this side over here, this one, this will give you BH. With this side will give you another BH. So I'll have 2 BH. Right? You must have understood this 2LH is from the front and back. This 2LB is from the top and the bottom, and this 2BH is from the 2 side faces. So I can take 2 common from here and I am left with, if I arrange it, LB plus BH plus LH. So this is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. Okay. Now, if I say lateral surface area, so that is your LSA or lateral surface area, what I have to do, I have to subtract the top and the bottom. Okay, the top and the bottom, if I subtract, that means this 2LB will be gone. So I will be left with now 2LH plus 2BH. So I can take 2 H common, L plus B. So this is the formula for LSA of the cuboid. So TSA and LSA done. Next is the volume of the cuboid. The volume of a cuboid is very simple, is L into B into H. Okay, so this is all about cuboid. Now let's draw a cube now. The cube is similar to cuboid. The only difference is here all sides are equal. That means now all of them can be considered as length, length and length. So the front surface LL will give you L square, back will be L square, the top will be L square, right? In this way, so if I have to find a TSA of this cube, this will be L square how many times? 6 times, isn't it? For 6 surfaces. Getting or not? Alright. So my TSA is 6L square. Now what will be my LSA? Lateral surface area. If I have to subtract the top and the bottom, 2L squares will be gone and I will be left with 4L square. And what will be the volume? What is the volume in case of cuboid? L into B into H. So in this case, in the case of cube, it will be L into L, that is L cube. Alright. So these are all the formulas in case of cube: volume, LSA and PSA. Okay. In the next video, we shall discuss about cylinder and cone.